Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And here is again notification that is apprenticeship program it is, and from the Airports Authority of India. It is a Miniratna Category 1 public sector enterprise. So this notification is released for only the candidates like diploma and graduates candidates are eligible, and also they have put one condition like Western region, only Western region people can apply. Western region candidates, I mean, they have given the domicile also domicile of Maharashtra. Who can the candidates who belongs to Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Goa. These Western region candidates only eligible for these posts and all. And we'll discuss the details of post and qualification. Graduate apprenticeship in mechanical engineering, automobile engineering, civil engineering, communication, navigational surveillance, and information technology and computer science. So these graduate apprenticeship program will be uh, actually it is 1 year, and they will give and they will provide stipend of 15,000 rupees. And minimum qualification required only the degree with 50% marks the candidates who belongs to general category, and 45% marks the candidates who belongs to SC/ST and PWD category. It's enough. And number of seats also given, just you can look into it. This program will be only 1 year. After that they will not provide any job opportunity, they will not assure, and they will not give also. And these locations also they mentioned here. You can look the locations and education qualification according to your degree. And here diploma candidates also diploma apprenticeship also there, and in civil engineering it is in communication and information technology and computer science. A number of vacancies also given, and you will be provided with 12,000 rupees per month, and it is also 1 year program. So locations are also given. And here also for diploma candidates also they will not assure after completion of 1 year, they will not assure the job in this Airport Authority of India. And SC/ST candidates actually they will be having reservation, and education qualification degree and diploma candidates should possess full time regular 4 years degree in engineering. And eligible criteria, I told you people before, the candidates belonging to states of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Goa from western region are eligible. And application date, actually it has already started on November 1, and it will be closed on 30, last date 30. So my suggestion is just apply before the deadline ends. And after that selection methodology, first what they will do means they will shortlist the candidate based on their scored marks in degree. So in their graduation they will take the marks, and they will shortlist the people. After that they will call based on their marks, they will call for the interview, or there may be interview or document verification. We are not sure of that. Okay. And that they will inform you through your email ID. And the last date is 30 November. And after that, and the candidates should register themselves in concerned web portal, that is NATS for graduates and both for the diploma candidates. Okay, without fail we have to register. And you go actually for registration and all procedure, actually it is given. Please go through the notification correctly. At the end of the notification and last page, you can see the details of registration, everything. You can see how to apply and all, everything it is given. Just please go through the notification clearly, and you will get to know everything. This is a registration link for graduate and diploma. You can actually, by clicking link, you can register also, and there is no problem. And the last date for online application, I have already told you, 30 November, that is Tuesday. So here I told right that steps for enrollment and registration, they have clearly given what to do and what not to do also. So just follow this procedure and register yourself. The candidates who belong, actually who are graduate candidates, they should visit on ads portal, and diploma candidates BOAT portal. You can register yourself and apply for this post. And thank you for watching this complete video. And if you have any doubts regarding application process and how to register and all, you can actually write your comment below. And until the next video, bye.